So hi everyone. In this question, like what this question is saying, to determine the focal length of a convex lens by obtaining a sharp image of a distant object, what are the following steps? Clear? Now my question is, first of all, tell me what is the formula to find the focal length in case of lens? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Okay. Now, in order to determine the focal length, for example, f is the focal length. F is what? It's a focal length. V is image distance. U is object distance. Object distance. Clear? Now my question is, in order to find the focal length, what are the two things which we needed? We need U, we need V. So first of all, we will decide our U. U means object. So we will select a distant object, suitable distant object. Then we will get a U. So first we will select a suitable distant object. Let us suppose I have selected tree. This is my object. Next, after this, what is the next step? Hold the lens between the object. Now image is found where? Image is found on a screen. So you just place one screen like this. I just place a screen. Now on this screen, our image is going to formed. Next, we will select a suitable lens and they have mentioned like convex lens. This is our lens. Now object distance you will get by measuring like this. This is the optical center. This is U. This is V. But my question is, how will you find how will you find this V? So we will, next step is, first step is we have selected a distant object. Then we hold down the lens between the object and the screen. After this, what you will do? You will move this lens, move, it is movable, okay? Move this lens in such a way, a sharp image you will form. Clear, okay? Sharp image you will see in the screen. And for example, you just move a lens and you are getting, while moving the lens in the right, let us suppose you are getting a sharp image. Then this distance is image distance and this is the object distance. Clear? So actually, first step is we have to select a distant object. Next step is we will hold down the lens between the object and the screen. This is object, distant. Clear? Next, we will adjust the lens in such a way we are getting a sharp image. Third step is this, like this. Then after getting the sharp image, we will measure this distance. Where we are getting the sharp image, we will measure this distance. Okay, this is image distance and this is object distance. Okay, I think this is clear. So first is select a third, then first. So which option? Option one. Third one, then second, then fourth. I think this is clear to you. Even if you have any doubt still, then please ask me in the chat box. Okay, comment section you can ask me. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.